Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to clean up temporary file using Disk Cleanup Wizard on Windows 10. Disk Cleanup Wizard is useful for cleaning out temporary files to free up a bit of space. You can run the Disk Cleanup Wizard most easily by searching for Disk or Clean in the Start menu or Cortana. If you have more than one disk or partition on your PC, you'll be asked which disk you want to clean. It should default to the drive on which OS is installed. The main options present a list of checkboxes that include the obvious temporary files and setup files. Clicking the Clean Up System Files button will reveal additional options. These can include Windows temporary installation files, which if you've recently upgraded the PC to Windows 10, can consist of the previous Windows installation. Windows 10 protects these files for 30 days after the upgrade, so it can be rolled back if necessary. However, they can occupy many gigabytes of space, and on a tablet or Ultrabook with a small SSD, this can fill much of the available storage on the device. From here, check the options you want to clean up, then click on OK to proceed cleaning. Clicking the More Options tab presents an option to clean up firstly Program and Features, which will bring you to uninstall program or change a program manager. And the second is System Restore and Shadow Copies. These reside in the system volume information folders that are hidden on each hard disk or partition. Should System Restore become corrupt, deleting the restore points can reset it. This covers how to clean up temporary file using Disk Cleanup Wizard. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.